Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 6 of the ICT Level 2 exam preparation worksheet. In this exercise, we need to calculate the sales of Airway Outdoor, which is planning a sale. Snowboard price will be reduced. We will use the formula vlookup to search in tab 6b and find the percentages for the discount. Then we will need to calculate the discounts in monetary value and calculate the sale price for each of the snowboards. Let's start. First thing, we will format the table, applying the all borders, then we will apply a fill color to the headings. Also, we will resize the columns. Once this is done, we will start to write the formula vlookup in cell F8. The vlookup value is the price band. The array is the table in tab E6b, the column is 2, then false. Let's type equal vlookup, open brackets, D8, comma. Go in tab E6b and select the table. Don't forget to press F4 to block the table as an absolute reference. Then comma, type 2 as the column index, comma, select false, close brackets, and enter to finalize the formula. Pull down the fill handle to apply the formula to the whole column. Now let's calculate the discount. In cell G8, we type equal E8 times F8 divided by 100. Press enter and drag down the fill handle. The sell price, it's the cost price minus the discount. In H8 we type equal E8 minus G8, enter to finalize the formula. Then we drag the fill handle. Format the cells as accounting. Now we need to create a graph to display the discount. We need to select the model in column C, so from cell C7 to cell C26, then we hold down the control button, we select from cell G8 to cell G17. We will press F11 to generate the graph. Feel free to apply any formatting you would like. At last, we need to rename this tab as C7 and move it after E6. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.